Step into the future of luxury travel. Because today on Honest Auto Wheels, we bring you an in-depth look at the 2026 Volvo Luxury Futuristic Motorhome, a vehicle that is more than just a way to move from one place to another. It is a bold vision of what life on the road will feel like in the future. Imagine stepping into a motorhome that feels like a rolling 5-star hotel, one that combines Scandinavian design, futuristic engineering, and cutting-edge sustainability all under one roof. This isn't just a motorhome. It is Volvo's declaration that comfort, style, and innovation can move together in perfect harmony. From the outside, it is impossible not to be impressed. The body has been sculpted with sleek aerodynamic lines and accented with continuous LED lighting that makes it glow at night like a futuristic spaceship. A panoramic windshield flows around the front, offering the driver a cinematic view of the road while enhancing aerodynamics. Traditional side, mirrors are gone, replaced with high-definition cameras feeding displays inside for greater clarity and safety. Its bold stance and lightweight composite body balance elegance with efficiency, designed to endure long journeys with reduced drag and better performance. The interior feels like stepping into a luxury suite. Scandinavian-inspired design flows through the cabin with soft leather seats, polished wood trims, and adaptive ambient lighting that changes according to your mood. Technology is at the center of everything. A fully digital cockpit with semi-autonomous driving capability, voice command integration, and a massive infotainment screen that keeps both driver and passengers connected. The living area is expansive, with reclining chairs, a smart entertainment hub, and floor-to-ceiling windows that connect you to the outdoors while surrounding you in comfort. The kitchen is equipped with futuristic features, including an induction cooktop, a smart refrigerator that monitors your food and suggests recipes, and space-saving automated storage. When the day ends, the bedroom transforms into a serene retreat with a king-sized adaptive mattress, a ceiling that projects a starlight sky, and personalized climate control to guarantee perfect rest. The bathroom is equally luxurious, featuring a rainfall shower, water recycling technology, and smart mirrors displaying weather, news, or travel routes. This is not just a motorhome. It is a mobile smart home, a moving palace of luxury and innovation. Volvo has blended elegance, sustainability, and futuristic technology to create something that does more than transport you. It transforms the way you live and travel. On Honest Auto Wheels, we believe this 2026 Volvo Luxury Futuristic Motorhome is a game-changer, the ultimate symbol of freedom, sophistication, and the future of life on the road. So tell us, would you take the wheel of this futuristic rolling paradise? Share your thoughts below and make sure to subscribe to Honest Auto Wheels for more reviews of the vehicle.